Hello guys. If your Oral-B IO3 suddenly refuses to connect to the app and syncing stops working the way it normally should, it can definitely become frustrating, especially when brushing data or smart features stop showing up. Sometimes the Oral-B IO3 appears in Bluetooth settings but never connects fully, while other times the app keeps searching without finding the toothbrush at all. A situation like this can happen because of Bluetooth interruptions, pairing glitches, app settings, or temporary connection issues that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many Oral-B IO3 app connection problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix an Oral-B IO3 not connecting to the app. Try these. Step 1. Open the app connected to the Oral-B IO3 toothbrush and confirm Bluetooth access stays enabled. Step 2. Turn Bluetooth on and off on the phone linked with the Oral-B IO3 toothbrush briefly. Step 3. Keep the Oral-B IO3 toothbrush close to the phone during the connection process. Step 4. Restart the Oral-B IO3 toothbrush and reopen the app if pairing feels stuck. Step 5. Remove and reconnect the Oral-B IO3 toothbrush inside app settings if syncing continues failing. Step 6. Test the Oral-B IO3 toothbrush again and confirm the app connects normally afterward.